Welcome to the Memory Expert Tools course dedicated to the Loci method. My name is Chris M. Nemo, memory improvement writer and blogger at the Nemo Bay. And in this course, I'm going to teach you everything about the oldest and most effective existing system of memorization. In the next lessons, you will learn how this powerful system works and how you can apply it in your daily life. The Loci method is considered to be one of the most versatile memory techniques. The power of the technique is so incredible that the best memorizers of the world use this technique invariably, whenever they want to make or break an existing memory record. This technique can become your new mnemonic weapon that will help you to remember shopping list and to-do list, to learn more effectively, to use memory techniques in your career for business meetings and public speaking, to learn foreign languages easily, and, if you need it, you will learn how to memorize long sequences of playing cards, one or more shuffle decks. As you will see in this course, using the Loci method really can make any aspects of your life much easier. You can have a better memory than you ever dreamed of. So, why not start today your memory improvement journey? This course will give you the tools to improve your memory right now. I'm sure you will love it.